Tristan, are you excited?
Yeah! First turkey hunt!
Let's get out to the blind. We got out to the blind. Now we're working on getting set up. You got any thoughts this morning, Tristan?
Not really too many thoughts, just super excited. He is right behind us.
There's some hens and stuff talking over here.
Can I do it with my voice? This is epic. I see 5 turkeys. See how they're coming behind them? This is a turkey hunt, all right. Now we just need one to come over here. 2 are toms. Not all those toms can take 2 hens. 5. There's 5.
Their cheeks. See how the top of their tail is bigger than the rest of their.
Is that even a boy?
Are you gonna try and shoot one of those jakes, Tristan?
I don't know. I'm gonna take one of the jakes.
You want to take a jake?
I don't know. I'm gonna take one.
Get on the gun like you know how to shoot.
I'm gonna take the one on the right.
Gun away.
You tell me where I can do it. Can I take it?
No. You got turkeys right alongside of it and right behind it.
There's a tom over there.
So you have to decide if you're gonna wait or if you're gonna take one of these. You have to decide now. Are you gonna wait or are you gonna look for an opportunity on these? Make your decision.
I want to take an opportunity on these if they give me a chance.
Okay. And I will try and help you with that time. Take the back one if you can. Not now. Huh? You missed your opportunity.
Now.
Now.
I got him.
You got him.
First bird.
Nice job. Nice job, buddy. Come here. You're using the CVA Scout
Uh-huh.
with the Federal TSS rounds in 410. You just shot your first turkey with a 410. Now you want to go get that, look at that turkey instead of talk to this camera. So let's go.
That was awesome. I love hunting with my dad and family, especially turkeys. We're usually successful on the first morning and we get to wake up at 4 o'clock. And I love waking up early. And it was super exciting to shoot my first turkey. I just thought, I think I'll take the jake. This was the bigger one, even though it still doesn't have a really long beard, but it's got a pretty nice tail.
It's a great way to start, Tristan. Well, that's a wrap, guys. Remember,
You're a Common Patriot, so be bold, be strong, and don't ever give up. See you next time.
God bless.